What's happening, y'all? It is Michael Espinosa, your healthy living architect, and I am here to show you how to make a super shake. So my idea is to prepare a super shake. I have not prepped for this. I have not prepared for this in any kind of way. I just want to show you how quick it is to make a super shake and to get everything you need, a quick meal replacement. We're doing the protein habit this week, so this is especially for that, but we're also going to throw in veggies, carbs, healthy fats. So the purpose of this video is to show you how quick this can be. I'm going to set this here down. Right now we're about 40 seconds in. I'm going to start my timer and we're going to see how long it takes to make a super shake. So like I said, I have not prepped for this. I'm just going to be pulling stuff out of my fridge and giving it a go. Here I have about 2 cups of milk. I really like to do cow's milk, so that's what we're gonna do because it's my shake. So we got the liquid. Next, pick a fruit. I'm trying to gain weight, so I'm gonna do 2 bananas. Chiquita bananas, lovely Cavendish. We'll see how much longer this puppy stays in existence. Cavendish banana. I think it's going extinct. I'm not really sure though. We're not gonna talk about current events though, because we're gonna get depressed here. This is spirulina. This is a blue-green algae. This is like my veggie substitute. Oh my gosh, we are 50 seconds into making this shake. So I've got my veggie substitute. I'm gonna just keep this here for now because we're gonna turn that on. I've got my protein powder here. What else do I need? Oh, some ginger because I like to have myself a spicy shake, and a little bit of turmeric. Recovery potential through the roof. So I've got fruit, liquid. Oh, I'm missing fats. Let's put some fats in there. How much? What are we doing at time? 1.5 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna do some walnuts. About a handful of walnuts. That looks like 2 or 3 thumb-sized portions for me. Like I said, I'm trying to gain a little weight. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this puppy on blast. Let's go. And time. That took me 2 minutes and 21 seconds. And that is a meal replacement shake. In here I've got my liquid. I've got some milk. You can do oat milk, you can do soy milk, you can do water. I've got some fruit. In this case, a couple of bananas. You can do frozen berries, keep those in stock. I got my veggie replacement. For veg, I got ginger, turmeric, and then spirulina, which is a blue-green algae, super high in protein and phytonutrients, phytochemicals, antioxidants, all that good stuff. I've got my fat with my walnuts, and then I've got my protein with my 1.5 cups of whey protein, straight up whey protein. Nothing special in there, just like 2 ingredients. And that took me a whopping 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and I've got everything I need for a great meal. And I'm in a hurry. I gotta go. See y'all later. Peace.